Hi there. This is chapters 1 and 2 of the book Out of My Mind. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see better. Just wanted you to get to see the cover. Okay. Chapter 1, Words. There are words all around me every day. Words like tickle, sneeze, wish, and worry. In my head are so many words. There are ideas, smart things to say, jokes, love songs. Ever since I was really little, I loved hearing words. They sounded sweet to me, like I could drink them up like lemonade. I could almost taste them. Melody loves words. Melody is our narrator. She is the one who's telling us the story. She's also who the story is about. My parents have always spent a lot of time talking to me. My father sang to me. My mother whispered in my ear. I kept and remembered all of the words my parents said to me. Melody loves words. I know so many words and what they mean, but only in my head. I have never said one single word. I am almost 11 years old. So Melody has all the words in her head, but she isn't able to say them with her mouth. Okay, chapter 2. I can't talk. I can't walk. I can't feed myself or take myself to the bathroom. It's really hard. I use a wheelchair. I can move my wheelchair by turning the wheels, and I can change the channel on the TV remote, but I can't hold a pencil or spoon without dropping it. Melody has cerebral palsy. When people look at me, they see a girl with short, dark, curly hair in a pink wheelchair. Sometimes they see that my head wobbles. Sometimes I drool. I'm very small for a girl my age. Sometimes my body moves in ways I don't want it to. Sometimes my feet kick or my arms move when I don't want them to, and I knock things over. After people see all of my problems, they might see I have a nice smile and I wear gold earrings. Some people just look at me and never ask my name, like it's not important. But it is. My name is Melody. I have always loved music. It's like I can hear colors and smell pictures when music is played. Mom loves classical music like Beethoven. The music seems bright blue to me. Dad likes jazz music like Miles Davis. The music seems brown to me. I love country music. It makes me think of lemons, lemon cake frosting, and cool, fresh lemonade. My favorite song is called Elvira by the Oak Ridge Boys. I've always watched how easy it was for everyone else to say words. The salesman on TV saying, "Buy one and get one free." The mailman saying to my mom, "Good morning, Mrs. Brooks." The cashier at the store saying, "Thanks for shopping with us today." I love the smell of my mom's hair and the feel of my dad's whiskers, but I have never been able to tell them. Melody has cerebral palsy. When I was young, I started to know I was different from everyone else. It made me mad. One time, my dad got me a stuffed cat. My mom put the toy in my hands and I smiled. I loved the feel of the soft cat. But then it fell to the floor. Dad put it in my hands again. I wanted to hold it and hug it, but it fell on the floor again. I got mad and started to cry. I would also fall onto the floor a lot, but I couldn't get up or roll over, so I had to cry until someone could help me. Melody has cerebral palsy. At night, Dad reads a lot of books to me. I can remember all of the words and I know them in my head. I'm very smart and I have a really good memory. It's like I have a camera in my head, and if I hear or see something, I take a picture and it stays there. No one knows that I'm smart and know all of these things, and it makes me really mad. So sometimes I get really upset. My arms and legs kick, and I can't breathe very well, and I scream. I call these my tornado explosions. I get so mad that I can't stop kicking and screaming, even if I want to. One time, when I was 4 years old, Mom and I were at the store looking at toys. I saw some plastic blocks. I had just seen on TV that the blocks would hurt kids because of what they were made of. I pointed at them to show my mom they were dangerous. Mom said, "No, we aren't buying those." I kept pointing. I wanted her to tell someone in the store to take them away before they hurt someone. But Mom didn't know why I was pointing at them because I couldn't tell her. I got so angry that I had a tornado explosion. I was kicking and hitting and screaming. Everyone in the store was staring at me. Mom was upset with me and never found out what I was trying to say about the blacks. Melody has cerebral palsy. Okay, that is the end of chapter 2. In the description section under this video, there is a link to click to the questions for this chapter if you want to look at those from home too. All right, thanks everybody.